Hey guys, welcome to another Form Titan 101 video on get basics. In this video, I'm going to show you what does get actually mean. And in simple terms, Form Titan uses a get functionality to read data from your Salesforce org and display in the form. So from Salesforce, it reads the data and displays it in Form Titan. So what are we going to learn today? We're going to learn how to access the get, which is under Form, Settings, Salesforce Integration, and then the Get. And then we're going to show you the first half of the basics, which are going to be, number one, learn how to select an object to read from. Number two, the purpose of comment. What is execute on form load functionality, and then how to use in custom button / action functionality. And that's all we're going to cover for today. I'm going to be putting out multiple parts that are going to cover the rest of the get functionality, and we'll take it from there. Right, so let's now move into our form. So I've set up a small demo here, which is going to be get Joe blogs from Salesforce. And what we're going to do is we are going to get a drop down. Let's move this over here. Let's get rid of first choice, third choice, and other. And we're going to rename it and call this contact. Once this is done, what we'll do is we'll go into our get. So we'll click set get and add object. Our first section we looked at in the presentation was select an object. And at this point, Form Titan is going to ask you which object do you want to read from. And I'm going to say contact. And then further options appear. We'll discuss these in the later videos. But for now, let's move on to comment. Why do we use comment for? So I'm just going to show you why we use comment. Just bear with me. Okay, I think we should be good to go on that. So let's apply. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to put a comment here to say get all contacts where name is Joe blogs. Click apply. As you can see, I've just set up a small get here, and the point of the comment is this, that in a form you can have multiple gets. You can have as many as you like, and it can become difficult if all of them have the same comment. So what I've done is I've just duplicated 5 and they all are the same, and you can get confused on which one is which. So the best way to do it is to simply go into it and add a comment to know which get and what is it supposed to do. So that's purely what the comment functionality is for. Next up, I'm going to show you execute on form load. And what does this do? I'll explain. So once you tick this, and I'm going to set a condition here, but you don't have to worry about setting the condition. We'll discuss that later. And I'm going to say if my full name in Salesforce equals other, which is going to be Joe blogs, apply. And then I'm going to map my field and I'm going to say display that under my contact field, drop down field. So okay, I've selected full name, I'm going to apply. And what this is going to do is when I load the form, this will execute this condition where it will say bring me Joe blogs where full name equals Joe blogs, and it will execute on the form load. So let's click apply and see how this works. Click save, click preview, and there you have it. On the form load, it's loaded Joe blogs, and that's the purpose for execute on load form functionality. Very simple. Okay, let's have a look at the second functionality, which is used in custom button / action. So we are going to tick this, and the condition is already set, so we don't need to amend any of that. And what this is going to do is this. Instead of loading on form, we will click on a button and it will execute this entire condition on that button because we've ticked it here using custom button / action. Click apply again, and we're going to set up a button. So let's go ahead and click the button. Going to bring this here. We're just going to rename this. Let's cancel. And let's call this get Joe blogs. That's it. And we're going to click on the button, and then here, button type, we've got multiple different options. We're going to select Salesforce action. We're going to click set. And then here, as you can see, we've got our get here, which we've specified by ticking as custom button / action. And we're going to select it, click add, and now it's added. Click apply, click save, click preview. And then as you can see, there's nothing there at the moment, but if I click get Joe Blogs, there you go, Joe Blogs appears. And that is simply what all of those functionalities, the very basic ones, mean in terms of the purpose of selecting an object, the purpose of comment, the purpose of execute and form load using custom button / action. Thank you for watching this video.